In Leaf brand, there are plenty of wireless earphones and headphones are available. Today in this video, I am sharing one of them. These are the Leaf Bass wireless headphones priced at 1299 rupees in official website. Another model of these headphones are also available, which are named as Leaf Bass 2, and the pricing is 1999 rupees. First, start with the unboxing and I will share the overview and tech specs of these headphones. I quickly open the box and let's see what are the contents we are getting inside. Along with headphones, we are getting a warranty registration card, user guide, aux cable, a micro USB adapter. Well, this is how the headphone looks. Coming to the build quality, these are plastic build and it won't get any damage for daily usage. If in case you try harder to test the build quality, sure it will break. Leaf branding with logo is there on both sides of the ears. Personally, I don't like this type of brand exposing. You can adjust the headband area according to your size, which is available in every headphones. The cushioning is okayish, but I'm not at all expecting this type of cushioning. I feel that it would be more quality. It won't take much time to connect via Bluetooth across all supported devices. Here is the list of specs of this product. This one is weight 200 grams and comes with 38 driver size. Frequency and sensitivity you can see here. The Leaf branding claimed that the music playtime is up to 10 hours, but it's not true. You already know that. And it takes 2.5 hours to charge. Here are some more features of this product. It supports Siri or Google Assistant. Deep bass is also available in these headphones. As I mentioned earlier, aux cable support is also there. And the very beauty part is these headphones comes with Bluetooth 5.0. And coming to the buttons, we're having 4 buttons. One is volume minus, which you can also change the music track. You can already seen in many of the headphones and even earphones also. And volume plus button is there, play or pause button, and finally a power assisted button which works for activating voice assistant too. It's not about the end. Leaf application is also available for enhancing the sound experience for the Leaf branding headphones and earphones. So if you are using any Leaf headphones or earphones, must and try the app which is available in Play Store. That's all about this product, guys, and I use it for some days and I'll post a dedicated full review of this product, whether it is worth or not for that pricing. If you observe in the online market, there are plenty of headphones and earphones, or even TWS earphones are also available under 1500 price mark. Many of the middle class people like me especially, we needed some good specs headphones or earphones which will sustain and which will last for some more and couple of months and years of time without any damage or repairs. But many of the brands are telling the spec sheet different and the original real life performance is different. So I will talk more about the things what is wrong with the companies and why they are not telling any facts about the products they are releasing. Instead of that, they are giving a spec sheet which is not at all 100% accurate. Soon I will talk more about that one too. And thanks for staying and watching Tech Bunny. Soon I will be back for you. Keep rocking and keep supporting. I'm signing off.